Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as we already completed our first 3 challenges for this super batch, let's take up our fourth challenge. So once if you click on launch, search for permission and go to permission sets. And also we are providing all the video for Agentblazer Legend series in our channel under a playlist called Agentblazer Legend. I will provide that playlist link in description to check that. And now click on G and go to guest review and campaign, and now click on Apex class access followed by edit, and now add this class which is guest review processor and click on save. And now in quick find search for agent and go to Agentforce assets and go to actions tab and click on new agent action. So for action type choose Apex, and for category invocable method, and for reference action give personalized guest experience. Click on next. So one changes guys, go back and instead of experience choose guest reviews. So this is what it is mentioned in challenge. Now click on next and now give some loading text and click on finish. Let's go to Agentforce agents. If you scroll down you will find Coral Cloud Experience Agent. Just click on it, open in builder, and now click on customer experience review. Go to this topic action tab and before that make sure to deactivate this. Click on OK, and now go to this topic action, click on new followed by add from asset library. So here type process and choose this process guest review followed by finish, and now click on activate, ignore and activate. And yeah, that is all about this challenge. Let's click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this super bad challenges. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel and make sure to check out all the videos whatever we have uploaded on Agentblazer Legend series. So see you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.